So it all started with a road trip through the Scottish Highlands a few years ago. We take a lot of photos, and over time we discovered the perfect way to edit them to feel so much more vibrant and exciting. We got hooked on the contrast and the colours, dreaming of life and warm summer tones, not just in our photos, but in the real world all year round. It was on this journey that we decided to bring this filter effect to reality with sunglasses, and we named them Tens. Okay, this is a regular lens, cold, desaturated and boring. So here's why Tens are different. An instant filter bursting with colour and warmth, our sunglasses make everyday life look and feel 10 times better. We've grown with a community across over 100 countries who've discovered that life really can look better. So join us.